guys, I am back in St. Lucia, and as I'm sitting here at this beautiful Royalton Spa and Resort, I was sharing some of my business advice with one of my friends here at the resort, and I want to share this advice with you. When it comes to making multiple streams of income, especially when it comes to passive income, there are three things that you need to have in place. The first thing is thought leadership, the second thing is a product, and the third thing is a service. Well, actually, let me switch it around. The first thing is thought leadership, the second thing is a service, and the third thing is a product. You need those three essential elements to be a successful freelancer. Number one, let me just define what I mean. So number one, you need to have thought leadership. That means you need to establish yourself as a credible expert in your field. You can't just be like everyone else, because there are thousands, if not millions, of freelancers out there. Upwork and Fiverr, those are popular freelance marketplaces. They're crowded. So you need to establish yourself as a cream of a creme de la creme, and top of a cut above the rest. You need to establish yourself as a highly credible authority and expert within your field, within your industry, so that your potential clients within the industry can trust you to get a job done for them, because they know that you're better, you have higher market value than the next freelancer. So it's a tough and fierce competition, so you need to really make sure you stand out with your thought leadership. And by thought leadership, I think a lot of freelancers overlook this because they think that all they need to do is sell their product or service and get clients. I had to learn the hard way that you have to establish authority through thought leadership, meaning you need to spend time consistently writing blogs. You need to spend time consistently writing content, creating content related to your niche, so that people can trust you and see that you are the go-to person, the expert authority within your field. So for example, I established myself on LinkedIn, of course with the assistance of my marketing manager who helped me design and craft a strategy. I have a very strong LinkedIn presence. I'm constantly posting every day, and I'm not just posting random things. I'm posting content which I know people on my LinkedIn will need within my industry. I was making tons of connections, I was networking, I was answering people's questions, I was volunteering information for free. And through doing all these things, I was establishing myself as a credible authority, as the go-to expert, as the answer. So when I started offering services or doing even hosting live sessions like LinkedIn Live or LinkedIn Live Audio, people would want to know and actually attend because they've seen the advice that I would give. And I've continued feeding them with valuable content every day through my live events, through Zoom meetings, and they would attend these meetings which were free of charge, and they would want to know more, and I would gain clients that way. So thought leadership first. Then you've got to think about establishing a product and a service. So your service could be things like coaching, and it can be passive, and it can also be a product. A product meaning it's something tangible that you're selling, right? And through those three income streams, you can make a lot of money as a freelancer. All right, take care and God bless.